LVO stock analysis and LVO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. LiveOne stock is sitting at 146. It's 20% up, and ultimately I just like the bullish trend that we're in right now. But I'll explain the caveat. I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. And just like looking at LiveOne, I don't see a clear trend other than this thing just picking up here. But the real bullish bulls and where they are hiding is above 180 for me personally. That doesn't mean that I cannot be just biased towards the bullish trend, because this is like what's holding the price up right now. And as long as it's volatile enough, nothing will stop me from doubling down on this bullish market as long as the price comes down and gives me a proper shift. You know, here from exactly, no, I'm not willing to do long that. I just want to see a decent shift, and as long as like there is a correct risk to reward ratio and all that good stuff, then I'm taking things up. But in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting for sure. Like, I'm not going to force anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.